And then over there's the USS Bowfin. We made it just in time to go take a tour of it, so let's go check it out. All right, here we are heading down into the submarine. Some of the super comfy looking beds up there. Here's some of their torpedoes, which are crazy, like 20 feet long. Would you like to sleep just right above a torpedo? Some more beds in there. Little hangout area. Got some old candy wrappers up there. Copper's cool. I want to look back and how you can see all the way through the sub, through the doors. Out here.